Yours.
Awesome. Okay. Welcome to my pitch. I'll be talking about energy generating indoor modular tiles with the brand name Versatile. So I would like to start from who we are. We are members of 4 different disciplines, all strategically allocated to achieve our aims of thermal performance, energy generation, modularity, recyclability, and safety. So from architecture, structural engineering, electrical engineering, and material engineering, all working together for the completion of the successful outcome, Versatile. So I would like to also talk about problems and opportunities before I show the product. To mention, I would like to first show you the Dutch economy's goal to reach a complete circular economy by 2050. But unfortunately, if you see the diagram below, we are very slow at the moment with the circular material use rate. So at this rate, we're unable to achieve the complete circular economy by 2050, and we really need to speed up the process. Okay, so the problem means opportunities for me, because problem means demand, and I'm trying to supply for the demand. And firstly, there's a rising electricity cost and usage, especially after the war, as you see the diagram on the right-hand side, and increasing sports facilities. And this is a big opportunity for me because I'm making a product that is related to the floor that relies on the footsteps. Thirdly, increasing construction in the Netherlands, and only 8% of construction materials are cycled back. And lastly, lack of energy harvesting opportunities for indoor was also a clear issue in my case. So what do you see here? You see dynamic movements occurring in sports facilities, airports, and all the shared public spaces. And so the question is, what if we utilize indoors to generate sustainable electricity? So now I'm talking about the product. And what do we offer? We offer user-centered sustainability, not just sustainability. And this happens by combining environmentally friendly features and user-friendly features from safe energy generation, 100% circular materials, high insulation capacity, flexible raised indoor floor, and customizable surface. So we offer a way to generate sustainable electricity with specially designed circuit system for our mechanical layer. We offer ultimate safety with a protective layer from water damage and all the impact. We offer reliability and efficiency with the load plate that is also designed to efficiently deliver the load. And we offer sustainable customization with removable, detachable surface layer. And altogether combines to a single 60 by 60 model. And here's the prototype that I actually made in real life. Successfully, I can generate electricity, surprisingly a lot as well. And you can demount it like this, and then reattach the insulation layer, and then bring it back to the copper layer, which also you can change. Surprisingly, when I stand on it, I can almost generate 20 volts of energy. So of course it's working. And actually, surprisingly, it is very... Sorry? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh my goodness. And now?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So
okay. Maybe skip your video.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So firstly, I already mentioned about circular economy and the Dutch government's goal to achieve circular economy by 2050. And to do that, I had to make sure that this product is completely disassemblable. So it's a floor that is assembled to be disassembled after the end of life cycle. So it can turn back to reuse and again and continue. So I'd like to also briefly talk about, the general process of manufacturing. So waste sorting, transportation, plastic sorting, regrinding plastic, molding, cooling, and unmolding. All these will occur with the production partners, NPSP, Polygood, and Probo. And I have 3 partners instead of 1 because I wanted to reduce the dependence on a single firm. So it's less risky for me. And also because they have different specialties in specific plastic panels. For example, NPSP was happy to offer a mechanical layer because they're expert in producing mechanical casing for plastic. And protective layer will be produced with the Probo, and surface layer will be produced by Polygood. And all these combined will be delivered to us. And then we attach the system, and with the user's choice, we will assemble it and send it. And after the life cycle, it will reverse back to the plastic sorting to the production partner so it can recycle again. So we have three different systems, from slim, thermally insulated, and raised system. So slim system is more suitable for low ceiling height spaces, such as houses. And thermally insulated system with a U value of 0.24 is suitable for renovation projects. And raised system is, of course, suitable for airports, offices, and even eco building where we are currently at. And we're not just ending here, we're actually offering SMART module, which stands for Sensing, Monitoring, Analyzing, Reporting, and Tracking. So this is actually the SMART tile, and it works like a brain of Versatile because it offers security, occupants tracking, remote action triggering, and environmental monitoring, where users are able to track how much CO2 they've saved and how much energy they've generated throughout the day. So in this way, we actually try to create interaction, make sustainability more interactive. So, of course, sustainability has to be profitable in capitalist economy. Versatile is therefore an investment. I've managed to calculate how much energy we can save at TU if this product was installed at TU Delft BK faculty corridor area in front of the reception. And surprisingly, because we save the money through generation of electricity and savings through conservation of energy, I was able to save up to 13,000 euros per year. Of course, this is still a lot, but considering how much TU Delft spends per year on energy and water, they last year they spent about 12 million euros just for energy and water. So even this would be not enough, but I believe that if this is installed more broadly on the campus, it would be more effective. And of course, with 14 months of payback period, you guarantee that you're going to get the money back. And also, I don't want to just stay in the renovation industry. I want to move on to the construction industry because I really believe in the potential of this tile to be implemented from the beginning of the construction, because it is installed. You can install this for the conventional steel construction, and it has the ability to replace concrete slab, reduce construction time because you don't have to dry anything, increase market value because it generates energy, and also recyclability after disassembly is very, very important for circular economy. And yeah, so this is just a precedent on the right-hand side, how the panels or floor panels can be attached for modularity. And on the left, I'm showing how the floor is going to be attached to the conventional steel structure. So why choose us? Because we're special, yes. We managed to find two different competitors. They're the major ones. Yeah, so we managed to find the right spot actually, because PaveGen focuses on infrastructural areas, for example, streets and roads. Energy Floors focus on event venues, and Versatile focuses on indoor environments. So it's actually a lot more closer to human habitation than other competitors. And because of that, because it's much more closer to human habitation, we have to achieve way more factors than PaveGen and Energy Floors, which we actually successfully achieved. For example, recyclability, customizability, modularity, and environmental performances are also the strength of Versatile compared to the competitors. And actually, every interior becomes unique because not all sustainable devices are good looking, but it has to be good looking in order to be widely installed in indoor spaces. And thankfully, with the collaboration with Polygood, actually, I've spoken to them and they're very, very happy to collaborate. And because of that, we are able to offer different designs from the wood, from the plastic, made of refrigerators, and even with different colors, because that's what they specialize in. So you should also expect more from us, because we don't just stop there. Dutch government has an ambitious aim to build at least 100,000 homes per year after 2024. And we would like to follow that trend to introduce this product into the housing construction. But at the moment, this product needs to be further developed to reduce the thickness of the module to be more widely implemented. So that's what we're going to be working on continuously and hopefully follow this trend. Customer experience is also very important because even a great product can just fail if the customers are not satisfied with the experience. So we developed the application to simply select your material, and you can really visualize, you can really see what kind of plastic materials are in there. You can see that what rating it has, and also you can track how much CO2 you've saved and how much energy you've saved. But why do we all need this? Why Versatile is beneficial? Because no one buys sustainability, but a next level solution. and you would like to take your footsteps to the next level solution. So ready, set, walk, and thank you very much. And because I kind of expected that the video wouldn't work, so I added a QR code for you to check out the YouTube. You can simply scan this QR code and have a look there. Yeah, so that was it for me. Thank you.
Alex, could you hear the applause?
Huh?
Huh?
Can you hear
us applauding?
I can hear you, yes.
Okay, okay. Can you still hear me from here?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, good. Thank you for your presentation. Very nice. I think.
Thank you, thank you.
Although you did not update everything that we discussed
Yes.
last week.
Yes.
No, but it's I think in general a pretty convincing story because it's very detailed.
Thank you.
With very good drawings. And of course, yeah, you know, tempting or seducing because we believe that we need to speed up circular use and that there's a lack of energy harvesting, etc. So it's a very interesting product. There's a few very simple questions I have actually. You mentioned a few production partners,
Yes.
like NPSP.
Yeah.
And did you already start working with them? That was
I've already sent multiple emails, and I actually met them from the conference that we went. And they were just like, hey, send us the email, and we'll send you the sample, and we can talk about it from there. They did send. I think I showed you last time in the tutorial the product, but they sent a thicker one. So obviously I couldn't put it in my prototype, but yeah, they were very happy with the collaboration. Yeah.
Okay. So you see a future there for yourself as well?
Yeah, I would like to actually work further, and further I developed this product. I kind of believed in versatile. I think the fact that you can dismantle this completely, and also that you can change the surface area, really gives a lot of options. Instead of taking all the floor out, you can simply take the surface layer out and send it back to the manufacturer, and they can give you the new style. So I think I really believe in this potential because we need to make this more interesting to make sustainability more widely spread. So I think that's exactly what I was targeting with the modularity and flexibility. So it can be,
maybe it's even a nice idea if you install it in the VK faculty building. That there is a monitor where you see how much energy your entrance actually made a difference.
Yeah, exactly. And I was actually really surprised with this result. And I calculated based on 1,000 people per day, considering that they have about 100 steps during the day throughout the corridor. And the result was actually quite surprising. And I've actually encountered a TU Delft article saying that they spend about 13 million euros per year in energy and water. So I don't exactly know how much they spend on energy, but I assume it's going to be a few millions. I think that is quite high, and TU Delft was also talking about reducing this energy significantly. So they're really working on net zero environment.
Alex, how much square meters did you propose or think about installing at the faculty in a corridor? How many square meters and how much would it cost?
Yes, I have. I didn't really put this cost in the book, but 160 by 60 module costs about 115 euros. And because I can give you about for the corridor area, it was about 65 meters by 2 meters. So you would need about 100 tiles. So it would be about 100 times 115.
Start with only a few tiles.
Yeah.
That seems to be more feasible, I think.
Yeah.
So we have to convince the dean to place them in the corridor. In the entrance. So next to the espresso bar, I think.
Yeah, I think that's also very nice. Yes.
Everyone is walking, and then. That's even better.
And I think. Because it's a 60 by 60 standard tile, I think it can be quite well implemented to the renovation.
Can it also be used outside?
Not with this, because the whole aim was for indoor modular tile. So because there were already competitors out there for exterior, so I wanted to focus on indoor.
You made it waterproof. Okay, last short question. if we install it here, it can work with what was it, NPSP, etc.
Yeah.
How about South Korea?
Well, I don't know actually. Korea is actually very, very slow. I think Asia in general is very slow with the development of sustainability. Because Asian countries don't really care about sustainability. That I can guarantee that. Compared to European countries, Asian countries think that this is not necessary. So
And we are really slow.
yeah, like but Korea is even slower. So I think
Well, Alex,
yeah.
to finish this maybe. Maybe you can find ways to introduce it in South Korea as a way to save energy. Okay.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you very much. Did you have another question?
No, I don't think that I have a question. It would be nice to really make a big prototype, Alex, I think.
Yeah, I would love to do it, but then I was kind of broke.
It would be really nice.
Yeah.
Then it shows the possibilities.
Yeah.
So come back soon.
Let's yeah. I'd like to change the schedule.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because it's already 10 minutes before half, so we have to do 3 groups, 3 presentations here.
Yeah.
That's an hour.
Yeah.
At least.